can we begin to reduce our cost of governance so that we won't have to do a lot of borrowing? Can we begin to look at how to generate funds? Do you know in Nigeria today, the same thing we are doing in oil and gas, we can do it for gold. The same thing we are doing in oil and gas, we can do it for coal, we can do it for iron, we can do it for lithium, we can do it for other solid minerals, which means getting technical partners in, doing the mining, selling it, and sharing the profit. We can do exactly the same thing. So why are we just looking at only tax, like the tax reform, as the source of revenue? It's not enough. Reduce the cost of governance and generate other sources of revenue, so you will be able to reduce how much you are borrowing, and nobody will tell you the way you need to run your economy.
Okay, so but what about the interest rates that these institutions keep giving developing countries? I actually saw an interview where it says that if developed countries are borrowing from these institutions, they're given less interests, than developing countries. What about the interest rates?
You mean the interest rate they are giving to us being higher?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, it's finance. If I'm going to give you a loan and I perceive more risk in your economy, I'm going to increase my interest rate. That's just basic finance. I mean, it's just if your economy or as a business, you are a less risky business, I'm going to give the loan to you at a cheaper rate, because the possibility of repayment is a lot better and higher than a business that does not have that possibility. I increase my interest rate because I want to be able to cover a lot of my costs, so that if anything goes wrong, I will have recovered a good chunk of the money I've given out. For me, it's just a financing decision that they are taking because of the risk they perceive in our economy.